Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover symptoms at the clinic and pharmacy. Learn to describe symptoms and get medicine when you're sick. This word means where does it hurt? Listen.
어디가 아프세요?
This word means I have a headache and a fever. Listen.
머리가 아프고 열이 나요?
This word means my stomach hurts and I feel like throwing up. Listen.
배가 아프고 토할 것 같아요.
This word means my cough has been bad since yesterday. Listen.
어제부터 기침이 심해요.
This word means it hurts when I press here. Listen.
여기를 누르면 아파요.
This word means I haven't slept for 2 days. Listen.
이틀째 잠을 못 잤어요.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
감기에 걸렸어요. 콧물이 나요. 몸살이 났어요. 설사를 해요. 어지러워요. 목이 부었어요.
Symptoms are usually stated in the present tense. 이요요. This word means do you have headache medicine? Listen.
두통약 있어요?
This word means can I buy it without a prescription? Listen.
처방전 없이 살 수 있어요?
This word means how many times a day do I take it? Listen.
하루에 몇 번 먹어요?
This word means do I take it after meals or before meals? Listen.
식후에 먹어요. 식전에 먹어요?
This word means please give me fever reducer and digestive medicine too. Listen.
해열제하고 소화제도 주세요.
This word means I'm allergic to penicillin. Listen.
저는 페니실린 알레르기가 있어요.
This word means how will this medicine make me drowsy? Listen.
이 약 먹으면 졸려요?
sick thing that's setting. Call 119 in emergencies. Foreigners can use the 1339 medical interpretation line. Now let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
어디가 아프세요? 머리가 아프고 열이 나요? 배가 아프고 토할 것 같아요. 어제부터 기침이 심해요. 여기를 누르면 아파요.
Great job. Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Describing symptoms, stating symptoms at a pharmacy, allergies, and caution. Great work! Practice symptoms at the clinic and pharmacy with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.